Hola, hola, buenos días, buenas tardes y buenas noches wherever you may be around the world. Today I'm bringing you a new video entitled How to Say Better Late Than Never in Spanish. Hola amigos, welcome back to Learn Spanish World with Mr. Brigs. I am so glad to have you here with me today. I'm a fully qualified registered Spanish teacher and I upload videos every week. Click the red button and subscribe. Better late than never in Spanish is mejor tarde que nunca. Mejor tarde que nunca. Mejor tarde que nunca. Can you repeat after me? Mejor tarde que nunca. Una vez más, one more time. Mejor tarde que nunca. Excelente. Mejor means better. Mejor. Mejor. The J sounds like a H. Mejor. Repeat after me. Mejor. Mejor. Excelente. You're doing very well. Now, let's move on to the next word. Better late. Mejor tarde. Mejor tarde. Tarde means late. Can you say tarde? Tarde. Better late. Mejor tarde. Repite. Mejor tarde. Mejor tarde. Let's see the next word. Better late than. Mejor tarde que. Mejor tarde que. In this instance, que means than. Mejor tarde que. And we use this que whenever we're making comparisons. Mejor tarde que. Repeat. Mejor tarde que. Muy bien. What comes next? Better late than never. Mejor tarde que nunca. Nunca means never in Spanish. Nunca. Repite. Nunca. Nunca. Mejor tarde que nunca. Mejor tarde que nunca. Excelente. You're doing very well. Better late than never is mejor tarde que nunca. And you can literally translate word by word. Mejor means better. Tarde means late. Que means then. Nunca means never. Mejor tarde que nunca. Better late than never. Mejor tarde que nunca. And don't forget, I upload videos every week, so click that red button and subscribe. Hola, una vez más aquí. Thank you so much for watching my video till the very end. I got a little surprise at the end for those ones that stay till the very end. So stay tuned. Don't go away. No te vayas. Okay, so the time has come for us to practice a little bit Spanish, but not just listening and repeating. This time, we're going to practice our listening skills in Spanish. So for a few minutes, I'll be talking to you in Spanish, and I will also use the sentence, the phrase that we just learned today. Better late than never. Mejor tarde que nunca. How did you go with that exercise? Did you manage to learn the sentence? Mejor tarde que nunca. Mejor means better. Tarde, late. Que, than, nunca, never. Mejor tarde que nunca. Muy bien. Vamos a practicar. 1, 2, 3. Mejor tarde que nunca. Practiquemos español, aunque solo sea un poco. Okay, so better late than never. Let's practice our Spanish. Mejor tarde que nunca, practiquemos español. Como tú ya sabes, mi nombre es Mr. Briggs. Yo soy profesor de español. Trabajo en un colegio, en una escuela secundaria en el área donde vivo. En una semana más voy a tener vacaciones. Estoy muy feliz. Sí, estoy muy feliz porque estoy un poco cansado y necesito descansar. Hoy me atrasé con el video, pero mejor tarde que nunca. Aquí estoy produciendo un video para ti. ¿Cómo va tu español? ¿Has aprendido nuevas palabras? ¿Has practicado tu pronunciación? ¿Has practicado tu gramática? Mejor tarde que nunca. Practica conmigo ahora, viendo este video. Excelente! That was fantastic. Now, if you understood everything, that's wonderful. That means that you're an advanced student. But if you didn't understand anything, do not panic. Don't worry. This is all part of the learning process. Learning a language takes time and dedication. And just like you didn't learn English overnight, it took a few years, you became a toddler, you listened to your parents and to your surroundings, and little by little, your brain was absorbing the language. In the same manner, with a few more challenges in other areas, but then again also with some advantages, you are learning Spanish. And don't give up, because it's a wonderful opportunity that you have before you. A wonderful opportunity to expand your horizon, a wonderful opportunity to keep you mentally active, to expand your horizons. And it's also a wonderful opportunity for you to grow as a person, as a professional, and to keep you mentally active, as I said. So important. Just like when you go to the gym and you work out your muscles, by learning Spanish, you're also working out your brain. Now, before I leave, I got a new word for you. Today, we heard the sad news of the passing of Queen Elizabeth II. Do you know how to say queen in Spanish or king in Spanish? Fácil, easy. Queen is reina. Reina. La reina Isabel II. Queen Elizabeth II. And by the way, before I forget, I have a little story for you. My grandfather was a police officer a long time ago, and Queen Elizabeth, la Reina Isabel, visited Chile in 1968. My grandfather was policía. That's right, he was a police officer, and he was given the responsibility of escorting the Queen around the city of Santiago. And he told me that she was very, very polite to everyone, including the police officer. She actually smiled and greeted him. And he always remembered, every time he saw her on television, he would say, "What a lovely lady." She was delightful, so polite and nice in general. So for him, it was a real privilege to look after her while she was visiting Chile in 1968. So don't forget, the Spanish word for queen is reina. Reina. And king, rey. So King Charles, el rey Carlos. So if you wanted to say King Charles in Spanish, it would say el rey Carlos. Muy bien, amigos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Better late than never. Mejor tarde que nunca. Les conté la historia. I told you the story. Please take care. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you very soon. Cuídate. Chao, chao. Bueno, aquí. Vamos por acá. Wow, look at that. Bueno, aquí estamos ahora en el en los bancos del Yarra River. Es un lugar realmente hermoso, se ve pero precioso atrás. Muy relajante realmente, muy lindo todo esto, es precioso. Just gorgeous, magnificent. Escucho que alguien me llama. ¿Qué me está llamando? Por allá, vamos a ver. I can't hear anything.